IFHT and GMV. My name is Rachel from CBC at UBC, and we have a challenge for you. So our challenge is who can eat a banana faster. Let's head inside. We have the lovely Phil and Kevin, both execs at CBC, and they are going to eat a banana faster than you guys. So here I am with the timer, and I'm gonna time it. So when you guys are ready?
This includes opening.
Includes opening time. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Yes. Okay, keep it going. Rounding 10 seconds. Oh, done! Alright, so there we have 12.1 seconds. 12.1 seconds. Okay, beat that. Thanks, guys.